In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit variant prices in Shopify. Whether you're updating prices for a seasonal sale, adjusting due to supplier changes, or just want to make some tweaks, Shopify's user-friendly interface makes bulk editing a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the bulk editor and be able to quickly update your product listings. Let's jump in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with various management options. What you're looking for is the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your store. From here, you'll be selecting the products whose prices you want to edit. There are checkboxes next to each product on the list. Carefully go through and click on the checkboxes for all the products you'd like to include in your bulk edit. This is a crucial step because only the products you select here will be editable in the next steps, so make sure you get them all lined up. Once you have your desired products selected, you'll notice an option at the top of the list that says Bulk Edit. Click on this option and you'll be transported to the bulk editor interface. Think of this area as your digital workspace. It resembles a simple spreadsheet table. You'll immediately feel comfortable here as it's designed to be intuitive and familiar, with each product's properties neatly arranged into individual columns. Now, the focus here is on prices. So, if you don't see a column labeled Price, don't worry. It's a simple fix. Look toward the top right corner, and you'll see a button labeled Columns. Clicking on this button will bring up a menu of options that you can enable or disable. Go ahead and enable the Price column, and it should appear right away in your bulk editor. With the Price column now visible, you have the green light to start editing. Click on the cell within the Price column of the product variants you wish to adjust. You can change the value to reflect the new price for each variant you've selected. This step is the heart of the process, and it's purposefully designed to be straightforward so that you can make your changes efficiently. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully edited the variant prices in your Shopify store. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that your product pricing is always accurate and up to date. Adjusting prices in bulk is just one of the many powerful features Shopify provides to help streamline your online business. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and as always, happy selling!